What's up guys, it's Mark here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the power saving mode of your Type B Mazda key fob. This is probably from vehicles from 2019 and up, and yeah, let me show you how that works. So usually if power saving mode is off, like normal operation, so you would see a LED red light that blinks on and off here every time you push one of these buttons. Right now, power saving mode is on this key, so let me show you how to deactivate power saving mode. So push lock 4 times, and then the 5th time you have to hold it down for 1.5 seconds until your car beeps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this light comes on, means you have to hold it down for 1.5 seconds. Perfect. So now it is power saving mode is off, so every time you push a button, you can see the red light comes on and comes off here. But this key I'm going to put on power saving mode because I'm not using it, so this is kind of the spare key. So yeah, let me show you normal operation. This light comes on, put it on power saving mode, push it 4 times again, and then the 5th time hold it down once you see the red LED light comes on. There you go. So now power saving mode is on, and every time you push any of these keys, there's no light that comes on here, so the battery will last a lot longer. And I believe some of the features that will not work is your little keyless door entry, intelligent key entry system will not work, and you have to probably put the key up to the start-stop button to start the car with this key on power saving mode. Alright guys, hopefully this helps you, and thank you for watching.